We all know that one of the latest governors with the biggest cruise ever in this country, who has no fear and respect for all of this political issue, is Nyesom, the executive governor of Rivers State. And yes, he was with Flavour and they had this amazing and wonderful time. I could not wait but share with you guys. Hi guys, welcome back to Lion Mark TV. Mark here with another video. So this one was in Port Harcourt and the display was just so massive, beautiful and amazing, and that's why I am bringing it to you guys here on the video. So if you're new here, please consider subscribing. Don't forget to drop a comment in the comment section, sharing your thoughts, because you know very well that we value and we love your thoughts here so much. It was a wonderful time filled with cruise vibes, and you know, it was a party. I don't know the actual party, but Flavour performed and the magic was wonderful. Enjoy the video. Don't forget to subscribe.
That's all.
Sorry guys, due to copyright issues, I could not play you the original sound of this video. I had to play the song. Yes, it was still the same levels that we're vibing to, just that I play a different version of levels for you guys. Thank you for watching this video. I really appreciate your time, always finding a time to come back, check out my videos here on Lion Mark TV. You mean a lot to me. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new here. See you guys on my next video.